doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my
Hello everyone, and thank you for coming back to another cleaning video. Today's video is actually a collaboration with a bunch of girls throwing together a summer clean with me playlist. I will leave that down below. So once you're done watching my video, make sure you go check them out as well for tons of extra cleaning motivation. For today's video, I will be deep cleaning my kitchen because my cat's being rude. He wants treats. So like I was saying, I will be deep cleaning my kitchen. I will be washing floors, dishes, counters, and just kind of getting up all of the dirt and the grime and just kind of getting everything nice and clean. It is currently 9:32 in the morning. I got up super early to get this done, and I have tons of videos for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any more of my future content.
Let it be, but I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I tried, what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. platinum.
So for disinfecting the sink and just getting it really squeaky clean, I'm going to be using some baking soda and vinegar. I absolutely love this combination. I did just wash it with the Mr. Clean Freak, and it did help a lot, but there is some like gook in here I want to try to get out, and especially in here.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Here is the finished sink. It is all nice and clean and shiny. All you really need is, like I said, baking soda and vinegar, and you just put the baking soda on, scrub it in, and then just dump a ton of vinegar on it. Let it bubble and scrub away.
When I had the chance, maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Am I the only one?
So while cleaning the stove, I realized that there are little fingerprints all over my walls. So I'm just gonna get a multi-surface cleaner and just clean this up. But I wonder who they belong to.
Am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much in joining me for another clean with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this collaboration. And once you're done watching my video, make sure you go check out the other ladies. I'll leave the playlist links down below. So yeah, go check them out. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Belle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my future content. Bye.